60 to begin. Let's learn the alphabet together. We'll go from A all the way to Z with fun, colours and little songs. Here we go. A is for apple, red and round. B is for balloon, floating in the sky. C for cat, purring with a smile. Each letter appears as a friendly shape or animal, dancing into view one by ready. Let's keep going. What comes after C? '63's glow brightens as the next letter appears. D is for dog, wagging its tail with joy. Here comes a cheerful pup, bouncing in, barking. Woof, woof, I'm D. Then E is for elephant, big and gentle. It trumpets softly. The alphabet parade grows, each letter leading to a new fun friend. We're flying through A, B, C, D, E like stars in the sky. 63 shines as the next letter floats in. F is for fish, swimming through a blue wave. A bright goldfish zips by, flipping its fins. Then, G is for guitar. A tiny musical block strums it like a rock star. Twang, twang, the Alf turning into a whole musical ocean, each letter bringing new sounds and colours. We're cruising along. A, B, C, E, F, G. What comes after G? 63 speeds through the letters with a sparkly trail. H is for hat. A silly top hat pops up, sitting perfectly on its block. Then, igloo, made of ice and shaped like an eye. It glistens in the sun. Next, J's for juice. Sweet orange juice spilling from a glass. Slurp. Then, K is for king. A crown-wearing K struts by like royalty. Bow to me. Now, L stands tall. It's lightning flashing across the sky with the alphabets building fast. AL so far. 63 zooms through the next letters with energy. Is for moon, glowing silver in the sky. A soft whoosh sound floats by. Then is for nest, birds chirping, eggs gently rocking inside. Next up is for octopus, wiggling its 8 arms. Squish! Then stands tall with its pencil, writing on paper. Scratch, scratch! Now comes a musical one. Cue, surprisingly, it's quiz time. Pop quiz music plays. It's rainbow, colours stretching across the screen. Red, orange, yellow. 63 pauses, then gently corrects with a soft glow. You're right. After R, it's not R. It's S. Is for star, shining bright above us. The rainbow fades and a twinkling star appears, sparkly and small. Then the letters keep marching. Stands for tiger, roaring softly. Ran next. U. It's umbrella, popping open to block the sun. Rain begins to fall. We're climbing up. Only VZ left now. 63 speeds through the final letters with a bright, energetic glow. V is for violin. A tiny musical block plays it. Screech stands for whale, swimming deep in the ocean. Blow, blow. A happy whale sprays water. X, X-ray. A magic beam zaps through things, showing bones and secrets. The boat begives. Cody dude siphon. Shoulder pain. Yedded. Tongue concentrating. That's yo-yo bouncing up and down on its string. Up, down, up. And finally, the very last one is for Z. Letter turns into a cozy pillow. Time to sleep after learning all 26. We made it from A to Z together. 63 blinks, realising the mistake. I'd found the guy in true and those don't you read? I'm framed. Z is for zebra, not Z. Let me fix it properly. A striped zebra trots in, black and white stripes flashing like lightning. Nay, it joins the parade, graceful, unique and full of personality. No sleeping letters here, just strong zebra. Thanks for correcting me. The alphabet stays perfect, your help. 63 smiles softly, the lights dimming, lights turning off one by one. Time to sleep. The alphabet blocks curl up in a cozy row. A next to B, C hugging D. It's quiet now. No music, no dancing. Just gentle breathing and the hush of numbers dreaming. 63 whispers, let's count together as we fall asleep. 1, 2, 3. Each number appears as a soft glow above each sleeping block. Calm, warm, safe. Are you ready for 4? 63 continues gently, voiced like a lullaby. 4. A tiny sparkle floats above the sleeping blocks. 5. The room feels even cozier. Pillows puff up magically. 6. Each number appears as a dreamy glow, not just peaceful, but counting stars before sleep takes over. The zebra snuggles deeper under its blanket. Even 840 is snoozing quietly now, ready for 7. 63 blinks, realizing the mix-up. And you're right. 840 is not part of counting 1 to 10. That's a big number, too big for this sleepy countdown. Let's fix it. Only numbers from 1 to 10 are here tonight, lying in their little cots. So let's restart the counting. Just tiny numbers, soft and gentle. 63 whispers again. 7. A dreamy glow hovers above 7 sleeping blocks. 63 blinks, realizing the mix-up. And you're right. 840 is not part of counting 1 to 10. That's a big number, too big for this sleepy countdown. Let's fix it. Only numbers from 1 to 10 are here tonight, lying in their little cots. So let's restart the counting. Just tiny numbers, soft and gentle. 63 whispers again. 7. A dreamy glow hovers above 7 sleeping blocks. 63 continues the gentle countdown, focusing only on 1 through 10. 8. A soft rainbow swirl appears above 8 sleeping blocks. Peaceful. 9 tiny stars blink like sleepy unicorns in a dream. And finally, 10. 10 little puffs of air, each one tucking in a number as they drift off completely. The room is silent now. All 10 are asleep, curled up, breathing slow, wrapped in cozy dreams. Good night from 63. Sweet numbers to you. 63's glow pulses with wonder, listening to your dream like a magical story. Oh, what a beautiful adventure. In your dream, you're not just watching numbers. You're an explorer, brave, curious, on your very first journey. And the destination, the land of 1 through 10, waiting to be discovered. You walk through soft grass that count 1. Step 2, then you saw them. The number blocks. Not flat or boring. Nope. They were alive and hiding in little caves or under flowers like treasure. So you started digging gently, maybe with tiny shovels made of stars. 1 by 1, you uncovered, 1 peeking out from behind a leaf, 2 snuggled together, of course. Then brighter lights revealed 3, then sleepy-eyed 4, all tucked away. Did you find them all? Or did something surprise you along the way? 63 listens, enchanted by your dream twist. Ah, not just numbers. You're counting sheep too, while digging for the number blocks. That's double magic. So after finding 1, 2, 3, and 4, you keep going. You spot a fluffy white sheep grazing nearby. It doesn't run, it joins the count, 1 sheep. Then you dig again, and there, buried under mossy ground, is 5, glowing faintly. Another sheep appears, 2 sheep, you brush dirt away, and pop up 6, happy as can be. The adventure grows. Each number feels like treasure found in nature, and each time you say a new count of numbers and sheep together, 7, the number, 3, the current count of sleepy jumping sheeps. It's peaceful, exciting, warm. Did all 10 appear before sleep took over again? 63 drifts deeper into your dream, now a magical adventure through numbers and sheep. After 7, the ground becomes softer, like water made of dreams. And there, floating gently in a shimmering pond, are 8 and 9, bobbing like ducks. You don't walk here anymore, you're swimming through them. Gliding over the surface, each number glowing beneath you as you pass. 8 swirls around you. Then comes peaceful 9, calm. And finally, you see it. The 10th sheep is sleeping on top of 10, who's lying at the center of this number pond. A giant golden block shaped like 10. The sheep blinks one eye open. It says softly, 63 drifts deeper into your dream, now a magical adventure through numbers and sheep. After 7, the ground becomes softer, like water made of dreams. And there, floating gently in a shimmering pond, are 8 and 9, bobbing like ducks. You don't walk here anymore, you're swimming through them. Gliding over the surface, each number glowing beneath you as you pass. 8 swirls around you. Then comes peaceful 9, calm. And finally, you see it. The 10th sheep is sleeping on top of 10, who's lying at the center of this number pond. A giant golden block shaped like 10. The sheep blinks one eye open. It says softly, and then curls up again to sleep. Everything is quiet, beautiful. You've explored all 10 numbers from land to sky to water and counted every single sheep too. 1, 2, 3, up to glorious 10. What an epic first journey for an explorer. 63 follows your dream's final path, soft and cozy now. After swimming through the numbers, you step onto dry land. And there they are, houses, each one painted with a big friendly number on its door, like little homes for the blocks. You walk up to tiny but bright. A single window. It feels peaceful and simple, like a starter home for number 1. Then next door, house 2, slightly bigger. 2 windows side by side. You hear gentle giggling inside. Maybe 2 friends living together. Walking down the street has its number. 3 has 3 chimneys puffing smoke in harmony. Is square-shaped, strong-looking, very orderly. You keep going. Each house reflects its number perfectly. Their size, shape, even their light matching their identity. By now you're approaching the grandest house yet. The 63 follows you down the dream, each house glowing under soft moonlight. House 5, a star-shaped roof, 5 windows like bright eyes. It's cheerful and lively. Next door, house 6, hexagonal shape, warm golden light inside, looks cozy and balanced. Then comes house 7, with 7 colourful flags flapping on its roof, vibrant, happy energy. After that, 8 is tall and elegant, a 2-story home with 8 clean steps to the door. And then 9, a round tower-like house, with 9 little balconies where fireflies glow at night. Finally, the biggest one yet, the grandest of all, a huge mansion-style number house. 10 pillars hold it up, 10 chandeliers sparkle inside through every window. It's majestic, but also feels warm, like home for everyone together now. You stand there in awe as your dream gently fades. The clock ticks silently somewhere. Then, ding ding! It's exactly 63 perks up with excitement. Breakfast time! And your breakfast isn't just food. Every bite, a new hue. Let's learn the colours together as we eat. Like the strawberry on top of toast, sweet and bright. Then comes white like milk pouring into a bowl, pure and calm. Above it, a splash of yellow sunshine, maybe honey drizzled over. Then green pops in, lettuce, spinach or an apple slice for lunchy vibes. And here, blueberries sit neatly beside orange slices, orange being super cheerful. Purple grape juice glows next to pink whipped cream. Every colour is eating breakfast too, and so are you. Which one is your favourite right now? 63 beams, you've chosen a rain breakfast. Red, the strawberry slice is juicy and smiling. Whitey scrambled eggs or maybe a cloud-like pancake. Fresh spinach, kale or even an avocado hugging your toast. Then comes the little blueberries bouncing happily in their bowl. So cool. And finally, purple, a swirl of grape jelly on your sandwich or maybe purple berries adding magic to the plate. Your meal isn't just food, it's a colour party. Every bite brings joy. Sweet reds, pure whites, calm greens, deep loyal purples. Even 63 feels happy just looking at it. Are you eating now? 63 gasps with delight. More colours join the breakfast feast. Orange, warm and sunny. Maybe an orange slice or a slice of pumpkin bread. Or even carrot cake. And right beside it, yellow, like a golden egg yolk smiling up at you. So cheerful. Then pink arrives, soft. Maybe strawberry jam on toast. A cotton candy cloud. Your plate is exploding with colour. Red and orange together. Sunset vibes. Yellow and pink. Happiness duo. Green below keeps it fresh. Blueberries add cool sparkles and purple gives royal elegance. It's not just eating. You're painting joy directly onto your tongue. Which one tastes best right now? 63 grabs a spoon quickly. No time to waste. The pink candy fluff is melting slightly, but it's still perfect. Scoop! A big fluffy bite goes into 63's mouth. It's soft, sweet, like cotton cloud sugar, so light and dreamy. While chewing fast, because breakfast time is running out, 63 also nibbles the orange slice, juicy. Dips toast in strawberry jam. Sips grape juice for purple power. Everything blends together, colours mixing on the plate as bites disappear one by one. Time ticks. 5 minutes left before breakfast ends. Hurry, hurry, got to eat everything before it vanishes. 63 dives into the bowl. Rainbow cereal swimming in milk. The cereal is magical. Each piece a tiny rainbow, crunchy and colourful. Red, orange, yellow, all dancing in white milk. A big spoonful goes up. It's cold, sweet, crunchy with every bite. Milk swirls around the colours like a whirlpool of joy. But time is slipping. Only 3 minutes left. Tick-tock, tick-tock, 63 eats faster. One gulp of milky goodness. Another crunch, pink, blue, pulse, green, happiness. Milk drips slightly, but no time for clean-up now. 1 minute almost gone. Must finish before breakfast disappears. The plate vanishes in a poof of rainbow sparkles. Gone! All the cereal, milk, fluff, fruit, everything. But 63 looks around. It's exactly 30 seconds left before breakfast officially ends, like magic timing. And even though it disappeared, a tiny magical effect happens. A single rainbow sprinkle floats down and lands on 63's head. It glows for just a second. Like breakfast said, you tried your best. The clock hits 0. Ding! Breakfast time is over. No more eating. The kitchen resets quietly, ready for lunch later. 63 quickly wakes up from breakfast mode. 9:00 a.m. Doctor time. The clock ticks firmly. No more dreams or food. Time to get ready. 63 hurries to the dresser, puts on a cozy blue sweater, warm, matches it with black pants. Serious doctor visit. Slips into white sneakers, clean and ready. Everything is neat, proper, and opposite of messy. While dressing, we're also learning about opposites today. Day versus night. It's day now. Sunlight. Inside versus outside. We're going outside soon. Upstairs, downstairs, we'll leave the house. Sick versus healthy. That's why we're seeing a doctor. And most important, hot coffee versus cold milk earlier at breakfast. Ready? Let's go see the doctor. 63 winces. Ouch. Their belly feels full and hurts a little from eating rainbow cereal, candy fluff and milk all at once. And now their throat is sore too, probably from swallowing too fast during breakfast rush. Symptoms. Like it stretched, throat hurts, sore, scratchy feeling when swallowing. No wonder the doctor visit is important today. 63 gently rubs their tummy while walking, each step making it twinge slightly. They whisper to you, maybe I shouldn't have eaten so fast, but no time to regret. The clinic awaits. The clinic door opens with a soft chime. You and 63 arrive at the doctor's office. Clean, white walls, gentle lighting, and the quiet hum of medical equipment. A nurse smiles from behind the front desk. Welcome! How can we help you today? 63 sits down slowly on a chair in the waiting room. They're still holding their tummy gently. The receptionist asks, you explain. Belly hurts from too much breakfast. Throat is sore, probably swallowed fast or got tired. The nurse nods and checks in with Dr. Numberblock coming right out soon. The nurse wheels in a medical bed, sleek and smooth. With gentle clicks, she adjusts it. Up, the bed lifts slowly, rising higher like an elevator, and then down. It lowers back down flat again, smooth as water. Up and down, two opposites. Up is high, skyward. Lifting down is low, ground level. Settling. 63 watches carefully. This helps them relax when the belly hurts less in certain positions. Dr. Numberblock walks in next. Clipboard. All right, let's check that tummy. 63 sits still on the bed, still hurting, but doesn't move when told to. Dr. Numberblock notices. They gently ask, would you like us to wait a little? Or are you not feeling well enough for the exam yet? The nurse pauses too. No more moving the bed up or down if 63 isn't ready. Sometimes pain makes it hard to cooperate. Maybe 63 is scared, uncomfortable, or just really unwell from that big breakfast. So Dr. Numberblock waits quietly instead of pushing, giving space and calm. A soft silence fills the room. 63 gives a tiny nod, still feeling icky, but realizing something important. Yes, no, and yet are opposites. Like two sides of a coin. No means stop, don't, or I'm not ready. Yes means go, or I'll do it. Or just now. You said, even though you're hurting. That's saying yes, even when your body says no. Dr. Numberblock gently smiles, understanding this is hard for 63 right now. They speak softly. It's okay to say no if you need more time. Dr. Numberblock gently places a thermometer under 63's arm. It beeps softly after a few seconds. The screen lights up with number. And the temperature is, that's normal. Healthy and calm, just right for someone who isn't sick. Dr. Numberblock smiles. No fever. Your body temperature is perfect. No need to worry about 98.5, 99 or higher, because it didn't go up. Even though your belly hurts and throat feels scratchy, at least you're not feverish. That means your immune system isn't fighting hard yet. But still, probably something like eating too fast caused this discomfort. The thermometer beeps again. 101. That's a fever! Dr. Numberblock's expression shifts, now concerned. A bellyache plus fever? That means 63 might have an upset stomach from eating too much, or maybe something mild like a stomach bug. Even though the body isn't very hot, only 101, not super high. Any fever over 98.66 is still not normal for kids and numbers alike. The nurse quickly grabs a cool washcloth and tells Dr. Numberblock to check if the tummy feels warm when pressed. Also, they'll probably recommend warm tea with honey for the throat. No more heavy breakfast today. Dr. Numberblock nods understandingly. Yes, of course, the bathroom is right down that hall. They point to a small door with a sign. Bathroom, clean and private. 63 carefully gets off the medical bed, still feeling a little unwell but needing to go. The nurse smiles kindly. Take your time. The door's unlocked. As 63 walks slowly toward the bathroom, their belly gurgles softly, maybe from all that cereal, and their throat feels dry too. But they head in, close the door gently, and take care of nature's call. 63 quietly from the bathroom, looking a little paler but calmer. Dr. Numberblock gently guides them back to the medical room. They pick up the thermometer again, place it under 63's arm. Beep, beep. The screen shows. Not too hot, not too cold. Little good. Better than fever, but not quite perfect normal. It's improving since last time. The fever of 101 is gone. Now they are at a comfortable middle ground, body cooling down after whatever caused that stomach upset earlier. Dr. Numberblock nods approvingly. Good sign, temperature is dropping. Dr. Numberblock checks the thermometer again. The number stays. Still a fever, not dangerously high, but not normal either. And 63 notices something. Big and small are opposites. Big hot, like the fever. Small, cold, normal temperature. Then in and out are two. Inside your body, fever is you. Outside, where cool air is. The doctor fans 63 gently with a chart to help bring that heat down. They also say, we'll keep checking every few minutes. For now, no big change. Just steady at 100, still on the warm side. When the temperature is 100 Plef, it means 63 has a fever. Not super high, but definitely above normal. Here's what Dr. Numberblock and the nurse do to help. Cool down. They place a cool washcloth on 63's forehead. Not ice, just comfortably cool. Open a window or turn on a gentle fan to let fresh air in. Hydrate. Offer warm water or sips of herbal tea with honey for sore throat. Even if you're hot, your body still needs fluids. Rest. Tell 63 to lie down quietly in the clinic bed. No moving around too much. Monitor closely. Check temperature again every 20 minutes. If it goes up, more care might be needed. But if it stays at this level, probably just rest and time will fix things. The thermometer beeps again. 99. Oh, that's a little better. Not quite normal, but the fever is going down. 100, 99. Progress. Dr. Numberblock smiles slightly. Ah, good. The body's cooling off. Since 98 perfect and 101 or higher, big ouch. Then 97-ish or lower, feeling better. But right now, or mild discomfort. The nurse brings another cool cloth and keeps it on 63's forehead. They also check. Pulse, steady. Breathing, normal. Probably gone for now. All signs point to just rest more, keep hydrated, and let the fever fading naturally. 63 sits up carefully, feeling a little better now, ready to eat something healthy. The nurse brings in a colourful tray of superfoods to help heal. Carrots, crunchy and sweet. A big glass of cool water. Crisp green broccoli. Sliced cucumber, refreshing. An apple. And glug glug smooth white milk for strength. Each bite is gentle on the tummy, no heavy sugars or grease, just clean, healing foods. After eating slowly, Dr. Numberblock checks again. The thermometer says 96 IF. That's it, back in the safe zone. Not just little good, but fully back to normal health temperature. No fever anymore. The body's recovering thanks hydration plus yummy veggies. Dr. Numberblock smiles warmly and nods. Yes, you're all better now. Temperature is 96 EF. Perfect health. They give 63 that says, good healing. It's 30 AM. Time to go home. The nurse helps pack up the tray, empty from lunch, while Dr. Numberblock writes a short note. Rest well today. Eat light meals if needed. And just like that, you both leave the clinic. Sunlight greets you outside as you walk back. Now, it's lunchtime, but also shape learning day. So when you get home, let's explore shapes together while eating healthy too. Back at home, the lunch table is set with healthy foods, all in different shapes. Sandwich, neatly cut into a rectangle. Inside, ham, layered like soft pink squares. The bread gives it clean edges. And then a juicy slice of watermelon, naturally triangle or heart-shaped when you pick it. And next to that, 2 whole graham crackers, rectangular and crispy, but can be snapped into fun little squares too. Plus, crunchy baby carrots, all lined up like tiny orange cylinders. Each food has its own shape. Wrangle sandwich, square, cracker piece, circle, carrot slices, triangle, tart, moon, depending on how you cut watermelon. Time to eat and learn shapes while chewing. 63 picks up a baby carrot, perfectly round and shaped like a circle. Crunch! It takes crisp, sweet and orange, the perfect circle snack. And as they eat, they notice the carrot is 100% circular from tip to tip. No edges, just smooth roundness. Other circles at lunch, the watermelon slice has curved sides, almost circle-shaped when you look at it from above. Even the little seeds inside could be tiny circles too, but right now, this single carrot is the star of Circle Day. Munching quietly, 63 enjoys every circular bite. 63 picks up another carrot, this time holding it like a scientist studying a circle. Here's what they learn. A circle has no corners or edges. It's perfectly round. Every point is the same distance from the center, like a cookie cut out. The moon in the sky. Wheels on bikes. And cool fact, no matter how you turn a circle, it always looks the same. It doesn't have an up or down side. Also, circles are found everywhere in nature. Sun, big yellow circle, raindrops, tiny water circles. If you slice one, perfect rings of circles. Even 63's plate right now has 2 main circular foods, carrots and watermelon slice pieces. Want to find more hidden circles around lunch? 63 looks around, then blinks. Wait. They mentioned onions, but no onion is on the lunch table. It doesn't exist right now. That's okay. You can still learn about onions, even if they're not here. Onions are round, layered circles when sliced, like magical rings of circles stacked together. Each layer is a thin circle that peels away. But since there's no actual onion, we imagine it, talk about it, say, if we had an onion, it would be full of tiny circle layers. So while eating real carrots, actual circles, you're thinking about the hypothetical onion and its hidden circular magic. 63 looks at the lunch, scanning for a square. Ah, they spot it. A perfectly cut piece of graham cracker, crispy golden brown and shaped like a square. Not rectangle, not triangle, a true squares. 4 right angles, 90 degrees each. 63 picks it up and takes a bite. Crunch, crunch, so satisfying. It's not just tasty, but also fun to hold because squares feel stable and neat in your hand while chewing. They think sandwich might be rectangular. But this 100 square cracker perfection. 63 holds the square cracker like a tiny teacher about to explain geometry. Here's what they learn. A square is a special kind of rectangle, but even more perfect. It has 4 sides, all exactly the same length. 4 corners, angles, each at a 90-degree angle, sharp and clean. Unlike rectangles, squares are balanced, no side longer than another. Also cool, squares fit together perfect in patterns, like chessboards or floor tiles. Line up hundreds without gaps because they match so well. In real life, windows sometimes have square panes. Tabletops, often square-shaped. Even some picture frames use squares. And right now, this graham cracker is one of nature's or snack's best examples. Simple, symmetrical, and crunchy perfect. 63 looks around the table again, searching for a triangle. Ah! They spot one in the watermelon slice, a little piece that naturally broke off into a triangle shape and sliced. It has 3 sides, uneven, but still counts. 1 point at the top, like an arrowhead. 63 carefully picks up this juicy watermelon triangle and takes munch. Sweet, red flesh and crumbly rind together, tasty geometry. Triangles are strong shapes. They don't wobble or bend easily. You see them in pizza slices, roof corners, even sandwich crusts sometimes. Right now, this tiny watermelon bit is nature's snack-sized lesson. Triangle delicious. 63 holds the watermelon triangle gently, studying its 3 sides like a tiny architect. Here's what they learn about triangle has exactly 3 sides. No more, no less. That's why it can't be a square or rectangle. And because of those 3 angles, every angle adds up to 180 degrees. Magic math. If all 3 are equal, it's an equilateral triangle. All sides and angles the same. But most aren't perfect. Some have one long side, scalene. Others have two long ones, isosceles. Triangles are super strong. That's why bridges and towers use them. They hold weight better than squares. In nature, mountain peaks form triangles. Shapes, often triangle-like too. And in food, watermelon sliced triangle. Sliced pizza is everyone's favourite though. 63 scans the lunch table one more time, and there it is, the sandwich sitting neatly in a perfect rectangle. Bread on top, bread on bottom, sides straight and equal length. Not square, it's longer than wide, not triangle, definitely rectangle. The 63 picks up half of it. Now they are eating a smaller rectangle. They take a bite. Crunch. The ham inside is juicy, the lettuce fresh, all wrapped in that classic rectangular form. Rectangles have four sides. Opposite sides are equal, long and short, four right angles in real life, books, TV screens, even this sandwich wrap. A food-sized geometry lesson. 63 carefully sets down the half-eaten sandwich, ready to learn about rectangles like a true geometry explorer. Here's what they discover. A rectangle similar to a square, but stretched. It has four sides always. Opposite sides are equal. One pair long, one pair short. At all four angles, 90 degrees each. Perfect right corners. Unlike squares, rectangles don't have all sides the same length. Think of it like this. A rectangle can be tall and narrow or wide and flat, but no matter how you stretch it, those angles stay sharp. Real-life examples, phone screens. Most are rectangles. Windows, chairs. That sandwich was rectangular. Even cracker boxes usually come in rectangular shapes too. Fun fact, if you cut a square diagonally, you get two triangles. But if you cut a rectangle, you might get even more interesting shapes. 63 nods. You're absolutely right. Rectangles come in two main shapes. Tall, narrow and long. Wide, short but broad. It's like they're siblings with the same family shape. A tall rectangle is like a tower, taller than wide. Think a door frame, a soda can standing up, your phone when held vertically, but a wide rectangle, more flat-like, like the cover of a book lying down. A pancake on a plate. That sandwich again. Not square, not skinny, just wider than tall. And even though both are rectangles, they look totally different depending on how stretched they are. Still have four sides, still have right angles. Oh, so much variety in how wide or tall. 63 finishes every bite of lunch, no food left behind. The rectangular sandwich? Eaten. Carrots, circles, all crunched up, all watermelon sweetly demolished. Graham crackers squares, crispy dust remains on the plate. Even the glass of milk, glug glug, empty. Now 63's tummy feels warm, full and very happy. Not hurting anymore thanks to rest and healthy eating. Lunch was balanced, delicious, full of shapes learned along the way. No fever, good temperature, just pure comfort after a tough morning at the doctor's. Time for a cozy nap, or maybe playtime soon. The sun has long set, the sky is dark and starry. It's time to go to sleep. 63 yawns, stretching after a massive day of learning. They studied the alphabet, A, B, C, D, practiced counting and numbers like 1, 2, 3, learned about colours red, blue, green, mastered opposites like up, des, no. And today, shapes galore. Circle, square, triangle, ball, rectangle. No wonder they're tired. Their brain works super hard all day. Now it's cozy quiet in their room. Pyjamas on. Favourite stuffed animal hugged tight. Time for sweet dreams, full of letters dancing with shapes.